Yes, class, I am audible. Yes, Himanish, I am audible. Himanish, I am audible. Can you hear me? Himanish? Yes, Priya, I am audible. Okay. Yes, class, I am audible. Huh? Can you able to see the screen?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Okay. So what we are doing in the last class of Steve, I think we are talking about problem on ages, है ना? If you remember, we have talked about this thing. Okay, you can mark your attendance by writing present in chat box. Okay, so this problem we have discussed in the last class. I hope if you remember. Yes. So continuing with that, I'm going with the next problem that we have in our PPT, that we having a father and son age problem, where we are going to find any one of the age. Here we have to find that a father said to his son, can anyone read? Yes, class, can anyone read? Anyone?
So, can I read?
Please, please.
A father said to his son, I was as old as you are at the present, at the time of your birth. If the father's age is 38 years now, the son's age 5 years back was.
Was. So how we can solve this problem? If you remember, the formulas that we have discussed. I'm just going to show you again. These are the formulas, important formulas on ages. That if the current age is x, then n time of age will be nx, right? If the current age is x, then the age n year later will be, yeah, if remember, we have to add that thing, right? If we are talking about ago, then we have to subtract it, right? This thing we have discussed in the previous class. So in this particular, if you can see that we are talking about that uh, that I was as old as you are at the present at the time of your birth. If the father age is 38 now, then the son age 5 year back. So we have to subtract. Yes, this thing is clear from here, right? We have to consider the formula that we have to subtract whatever the age we will get. We have to subtract it from 5. Yes, class. So what we have here is age is given, that is 38, and what is said, I was as old as you are at the present at the time of your birth. Yes, anyone? We have to assume something here. Yes, anyone? No. I'm just waiting for a few more students to join us. Till then, you can try this thing. Read the problem. Yes, Himanish, you there?
Yes, sir.
What you got this from this? Did you understood this problem? Problem is clear.
So no.
Read it out.
The father said to his son, I was so old as you are at the present at the time of your birth. With the father age is 38 years now, the son's age 5 years back was.
क्या समझे आप इसमें?
The father की एज 38 है तो सन की
कब
5
है
years.
उसकी एज? कब है उसकी एज 38? I was as old as you are at the present, right? तो उसकी जो present है at that time of the birth, and if the father age is 38, then the son age 5 year back. Yes. How will get it? Yes, anyone? So what is given over here is that we having I was as old as you are, right? At the present, at the time of your birth, right? So we have to subtract it, and that will give you this one. Yes. So from this equation, from this line, we get this equation, that is, if the father age is 38 year, so 38 minus x is equal to x. That will come out to be how much? Yes, how much? X will be how much?
So x is equal to 19.
Yes, 19. Now what is asked? After how many? The age son age 5 year back. 5 year back means we have to subtract it. So if we subtract 5 from this, how much we will get?
So 14 years.
So the exact answer will be
So option A is correct.
14 years, right? It's very simple. Just you have to understood this line, the statements. If you understand the statements, it's very easy, right? Okay, moving with the further problem.
सर
Next
19
problem.
कैसे है मतलब
अभी बताया है मानिश.
38 minus x equal to
Yes, yes. हाँ तो अब 2x को उधर ले जाएंगे. What will happen? It is 2x. So 2x is
2x.
equal to 38. We
Yes,
will
sir.
find x. X is how much? X is equal to 38 divided by 2. How much it will be?
Yes, sir. 19. Okay. So 19 minus 5 5 years. It's 5 years back. So minus करेंगे ना.
Obviously. So how much you got? You got 38 divided by 2. It will be 19, right? So we get 19. But what it is asking, it is saying the son age 5 years back was. So it will be 19 minus 5. So how much it will be? 14, right? Okay. I request all of you please mark your attendance by writing present in the chat box. Just hold on, I have to take your attendance. Those who are not present, please note it down. Take the screenshot. Today we are going to cover 2-3 topics. Right. Okay. Is it clear, Himanish, now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So moving further with the next problem. This is now read it. Himanish, you read the question.
Sachin is younger than Rahul by 7 years.
Yes.
If their age are a respective ratio 7:9, how old is Sachin?
Yeah. Yes. Anyone? The Sachin, we have to consider. Yes, we have to assume over here that let the age of Sachin will be X. Yes. Yes, class. So what we are doing, we are considering. Please note it down. We are considering the Rahul age will be X, and we can do on the other side also, and Sachin age will be automatically, since it is younger, so it will be 7 X minus 7, as we have seen in this statement that Sachin is how much? Younger than Rahul, and we have considered let X be the age of Rahul. Yes, we have considered that let X is the age of Rahul, then we have this thing. So we talk about the ratio, and if you remember the ratio formula that we have, that is the age of Sachin divided by Rahul age is equal to the ratio that is 7 divided by 9, right? If we solve this problem, what we will get if we take it on the other side and we multiply it like this, so we have 9x minus 63 is equal to 7x. Yes. So what we'll get, 2x is equal to 63, and if we divide it by 2, so it will be 31.5. Now please read the statement again, that we are talking about Sachin is younger than Rahul by 7 years. So what we have to get, till now we have achieved X, and X is the age of Rahul. Yes. So we have to subtract it. So we will subtract it 31 minus 31.5 minus 7. So what? How much we will get? That is 24.5 years. Yes, Himanish, is it clear? Okay, note it down. Please take the screenshot. Yes. Okay, moving further. Yes, can anyone read? Who will read this time? Yes, anyone, please read it out. A person present age is 2/5 of the age of his mother after 8 years. So after, we are talking about after, not ago, not before. We are talking about after, so it will be addition. So after 8 years, he will be 1/2 of the age of his mother, right? So how old is the mother at present? Yes, anyone? Yes, Shashant has told in the previous question 24.5. Good, great. Yes. Yes, I'm giving you 2 minutes. This problem we have doing in the previous lecture also. I'm just repeating this thing. I'm giving you practice question. Yes, doing it. Do it. Yes, Rahul, are you there?
Yes, sir.
So we are talking about a person whose present age is how much? 2/5 of the age of his mother,
Yes, sir.
right? And then we are talking about after 8 years. So in equation we have to add that 8 year on both sides, right? So we have to equate it. So we have to add that
Yes.
equation from both sides. That plus 8 we have to do in both sides. And what is said that after 8 years he will be 1/2 of the age of his mother. So if we
Yes, sir.
if we are assuming mother age will be x, so it will be 1/2x plus 8. I'm giving you the hint. Yes, do it. Then what we have to find is how old is the mother at present. Yes, someone has solved. Many entrance exam, this type of questions are there. Yes, okay. So we are assuming that from the statement, please read the statement again. I am just taking in this way. Let the mother present age will be x, right? So mother present age is x. And we are saying that then the person present age will be, this person present age is 2/5 of the age of his mother. So the person present age will be 2/5 x year, right? Now again we have said that after 8 years. So what we will going to do, we are going to add that after 8 years, as we have told you in the formula also, we are going to add. So that 2/5 x plus 8, that is after 8 years. What is given? He will be 1/2 of the age of his mother, right? So what it will be? 1/2 of the age of the mother, that is x. Age of the mother is x. and we are talking about after 8 years. So we have to add 8 year also here. Yes. So what will be the output? 40. Yes, very good. Sushant has solved this thing. Nice, very nice. So answer is 40. If we solve this equation, we have to find the value of x. Substituting the value and all, taking the value on the other side, what we will get the value of x, that will be 40. Is it clear, class? The correct answer is 40 now. Okay. Moving further.
सर कैसे नहीं
कैसे मतलब?
अरे कैसे किया मतलब ये
कैसे किया? Statements read करो. What is written? I am again explaining. Read it out. क्या लिखा है? A person present age is how much?
2/5
2/5 मतलब 2 by 5 of the age of his
mother.
So हमने assume किया let the mother age will be x. So ये हमने सबसे पहली लाइन यही लिखी है, let the mother present age will be x CS. We have to find it ना, है ना? क्योंकि हमें क्या करना है, क्या फाइंड करना है, how old is the mother, है ना? Right Himanish?
Yes.
Right. So
Yes.
putting this thing, the person present age will be how much? As you can see, a person present age is 2/5 of the age of his mother. So it will be, if mother age will be x, so person age will be 2 by 5x. Yes. Is it clear?
Yes.
In this equation, you can see this thing. Now, reading the next statement after this, it says after 8 years, he will be 1/2 of the age of his mother. Right. So what we are saying, person age है ना ये 2x, 2 by 5x is the person age ना. After how many years? After 8 years. So we will add 8. Yes. And how much it will be? How much it will be written? He will be 1/2 of the age of his mother. So 1 by 2 into x. X is the age of mother. 1/2 of the age of mother plus after 8 years. So plus 8 will be that. Right. If we calculate this problem, this equation, we will get the value of x. That is how much?
40.
Is it clear now? Yes.
Yes.
चलें आगे चलें next question पे.
Yes.
Now we have some more problems. ये board problem हमने कर ली थी क्या class? Yes class. We have solved this board problem or not?
No, sir.
Okay. So note down the formula first of all. So whenever you will get problem from board problem, in which we are having a river, right, and river having these two things, that is downstream and upstream, and that the flow of water, and we are talking about water direction along the stream is called downstream, right, and the direction against the stream is the flow of water, nothing but if you are flowing that the direction of the boat is against the stream, then it is called upstream. Please remember this string, downstream and upstream. If we are moving along in the direction, then it is known as downstream, right? We are going to add the speed of boat and the stream of water and the speed of stream, right, in downstream. Always remember this thing. These are the key point in case
Sir,
of
1 minute. Sir,
right. Yes. Ask Rahul.
sir, here is sir. I have the doubt. Sir, how the downstream and upstream means? Sir, can you repeat again?
See, we have mountains, right? Like this, right?
Yes, sir.
So we are having the rivers which are moving downstream,
Yes, sir.
or water is still. These are the few examples that numericals that we'll have, right? If the water is running, right, it's something like this. So in this, we are talking about that in water, the direction along the stream is called downstream,
Okay, sir.
right? And if the direction against the stream is the flow of water, right? That is called upstream, right? Like you are swimming against the flow of water. That is a problem. That is
Yes, sir.
force of water will send you back, but you are trying to come up on the opposite direction of the stream, right?
Yes, sir.
That is what we are talking here.
Okay, sir.
Right. So if the speed of the boat in still water is given, that is u kilometer per hour, please remember this numerical, this formulas, and the speed of the stream is v kilometer per hour, then speed for downstream will be calculated by u plus v kilometer per hour. Yes? Who is this? Yes, Ravi Kumar. Now, this is the formula for downstream, because we are moving along the stream. We are adding it. And if we are moving against, then we are subtracting it. Please remember this thing, right? And if the speed that is downstream is in kilometer per hour and the speed stream is in b kilometer per hour, then what we have, speed in still water, then we are going to add it half, and a plus b, that is speed downstream plus speed upstream, and rate of stream will be like this, a minus b, half a minus b kilometer per hour. Yes. Yes, can anyone read?
Yeah, upstream, downstream.
Yes.
So can I read? And my
Yes,
throat
please.
is not good, sir. So my throat is not good, please.
Then what you want?
So I want to read, and it's okay. I will read very slowly.
Yes, you can read, no issue.
So here is the question is the boat takes 9 minutes less than
90
to
minutes.
travel. 90 minutes less than to travel 36 miles, and downstream can we travel through the same same distance upstream.
If the speed of
So,
the boat in still water is 10 mph, then the speed of the stream is
if the speed of the boat is still water is 1 mph, and the speed of the stream is
we have to find the speed of the stream. Yes. Can anyone? Yes,
so
Clark.
can you explain this statement?
Yes, what it is talking about, a boat takes how many minutes? 90 minutes less to travel 36 miles downstream than to travel the same distance upstream. Bhai, if that boat is moving upstream, then it taking more time as compared to a boat which is moving downstream, right? And how much time it is taking? How much less time it is taking? 90 minutes less it is taking to travel 36 miles. It is obviously because we are not going against the stream of water. If we are going along the stream of water, then we are taking less time. And how much time we are taking less? 90 minutes less to travel 36 mile downstream than to travel the same distance. How much same distance over here? 36 miles. Then to travel same distance, that is 36 mile upstream. Obviously, there is a force on the opposite direction that will take more time. So how much less time it is taking if we are going along in the flow of stream? It is 90 minutes less. Now what we are asking, if the speed of the boat in still water is 10 miles per hour, then the speed of the stream is how much? Yes, can anyone tell? Okay, so here is the solution. Please take the screenshot. And what we are talking about, let the speed of the stream that we are finding, that we need to find, it will be x, that is miles per hour, mph. So then what we are saying, then the speed in the downstream, you can see that is 10 plus x, and speed for the upstream, as you can see, u plus v and u minus v. So that's why 10 plus x and 10 minus x, where x is the speed of the stream, right? So we know the formula for speed is equal to distance and all that, distance upon time. So, and what we have over here is 36 miles, right? So we will do this thing, that is 36 divided by 10 minus x, that is the upstream, and that is downstream, right? And it is talking how much time? It is taking how much time less? 90 minutes less. So we are going to convert it into, so that's why we have divided it by 60. So we are having this equal to 90 by 60. And if we compute the value of x from here, from this equation, we will get the value of x. That is how much? 2 miles per hour. So the correct option is first one, right? So we got this equation from this line, which says that a boat takes 90 minutes less to travel 36 miles downstream than to travel the same distance upstream. So the distance is same, that is 36 and 36, right? Talking about the next question, that is the speed of a boat in still water is 15 km per hour and the rate of current is 3 km per hour. The distance traveled downstream is 12 minutes. So we have to find the distance. Yes, anyone? The distance traveled downstream in 12 minutes. So in 12 minutes, with this rate of speed, how much distance we will able to cover in 12 minutes? Yes. So I'm just moving with the solution because you are not responding, right? I'm just covering this part. So we are saying that speed of the boat for downstream is how much? 15 km per hour, and the rate of current, that is stream, that is given. So we have to add it, u plus v. So u is given, that is 15, and v is given how much? 3. So it will be how much? 18 km per hour. Now we are going to talk about the distance travel. We know the formula, distance formula, right? So we have to multiply it, the two terms, that is speed, right, and the time. The time is given in minutes, right? So we are going to convert, so that's why we need to divide it by 60. So if we multiply these two things, we get the distance by distance formula, right? So that is 3.6 kilometer. So that is the total distance that this boat with this speed and this rate, right? Because it is downstream and the current is also given, that is 3 kilometer. So we are going to add these two things. The speed of the boat is going to add with the rate of current, that is 3 kilometer. So it will be 18. And we have given the time. So we convert it into seconds. Then we will have this answer, right? Now the today topic that I want to cover basically. That's why I was in a hurry in the previous topic, which we have already discussed. We have talked, and you will find that train problem in every entrance exam. This is very important, right? So what is a train problem? Again, this is a time, speed, and distance problem, but mainly we will focus on these three right now today. That is how we are going to conversion formula, then distance and time formula, then train and object. So numerical will come that you having a train of some length which is crossing some tree or some you can say one stand object, right? It is crossing it. So it will going to ask you anything, any of this variable, time, speed, or distance. Any two has been given to you, might be given to you, and you will ask to find out the third one, right? But before that we need to understand the formulas. So इसके बाहर कोई numericals नहीं आएंगे आपके train problems में, यही होते हैं mainly that we are going to see, right? So these are the formula, please note it down, that we have. So for conversion, as you all know, as we also did in the previous numerical also, so whenever we are converting from kilometer to meter per second, please remember we will multiply it by 5/18. And if we are doing it in the opposite way, vice versa, then we are going to multiply it by 18/5. Please remember this thing. This is very important. For conversion formula, these two things will come. And easy way of remembering this thing is that we are converting to what? We are converting into bigger unit or smaller unit. If we are converting into smaller unit, like meter per, this one, kilometer per hour to meter per second, then please remember it will be 5/18. And if we are converting from lower unit to higher unit, that is kilometer, please remember that it will be 18/5. Yes. So if we are talking about meter per second, then remember 5. If we are talking about kilometer per hour, then remember 18 will be on the numerator, that is on the top, right? Now these are few things that you have to remember. That time taken by a train of length. So here train has its own length also, so we call it length of train, LT, right? That we have to include for finding the distance. So distance is nothing but over here is the length. Please remember this thing. And in this case we are talking about a single pole, right? Where train is crossing a single pole, so we are going to find at what speed or what is the length of the train or what is the length of the platform. Such type of numerical will come to you, right? Person is standing and train crosses him in this way, so we have to consider the length of the train also. Please remember this thing. This is the length of the train, right? Or a single post is equal to the time taken by the train to cover by meter, right? So time taken by a train of length by meter to pass a stationary object of length b meter is the time taken by the train to cover L plus B meter. Like, for example, if we are talking about the case of a bridge and train has to come on the bridge, then we have to consider the length of the bridge and the length of the train, because we have to find that after the train will cross the bridge, right? So when the train will cross the bridge, so this is the total length in that case. Please remember this thing, right? So length of the bridge plus length of the train